Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm excited to have you here. Let's dive in and learn together. HTML meta tags provide important metadata for SEO and browser behavior. A meta tag can have several attributes such as name, content, scheme, and HTTP equiv. You can use the meta tag to specify important keywords related to the document. These keywords are used by search engines when indexing your web page. This helps improve your page's visibility in search engine results. Another use of the meta tag is to give a short description of the document. This description can also be used by search engines while indexing your web page. This provides a summary of your page's content to users and search engines. You can also use the meta tag to provide information about the last time the document was updated. This information can be used by web browsers to refresh your web page. Keeping track of revisions helps maintain up-to-date and accurate content. A meta tag can also be used to specify a duration after which your web page will automatically refresh. For example, if you want your page to refresh every 5 seconds, this tag will do the job. Meta tags can also be used to redirect your page to another web page. You can specify a duration if you want the page to redirect after a certain number of seconds. This example will redirect the current page to another URL after 5 seconds. Cookies are data stored in small text files on your computer, and they are exchanged between the web browser and web server to keep track of various information. You can use a meta tag to store cookies on the client side. If you don't include an expiration date, the cookie is considered a session cookie and will be deleted when the user exits the browser. Another common use of the meta tag is to set the author's name for the document. This is useful for identifying the creator of the content. Finally, you can use the meta tag to specify the character set used within the web page. This ensures the correct encoding and display of characters. Using the correct character set is important for ensuring that text displays correctly, especially for non-English languages. HTML comments are used to add notes or disable code in a web page without affecting its display. In HTML, comments are created using the to start and to close the comment. Comments do not nest, meaning you cannot place a comment inside another comment. Also, avoid using the double dash sequence within your comments as it can cause issues. This is a valid comment and the browser will not display it. It's crucial to ensure that your comment syntax is correct to avoid unexpected results. Now, let's look at an example of an invalid comment. If there's a space between the left angle bracket and the exclamation mark, the browser won't recognize it as a comment. In this case, the browser treats it as text and it will be displayed on the page, which is not what you want. So far, we've discussed single-line comments, but HTML also supports multi-line comments. You can create a comment that spans multiple lines by placing the opening at the start and the closing at the end. This is useful for adding detailed notes or temporarily disabling large sections of code without removing them. Conditional comments are a special type of comment that only works in Internet Explorer, i.e. on Windows. These comments allow you to provide specific instructions for different versions of IE. Conditional comments are helpful when you need to apply different styles or scripts based on the version of IE. Some browsers support the comment tag for commenting out parts of HTML code. However, this tag is not widely supported and should be used cautiously. The output may vary depending on the browser, so it's generally better to stick with the standard comment syntax. When using JavaScript or VB script within your HTML, it's recommended to wrap the script code in comments. This practice ensures compatibility with older browsers. This ensures that the script runs correctly and older browsers don't accidentally display the script code as text. Similarly, when using cascading style sheets (CSS) in your HTML, it's recommended to wrap the style code in comments for older browsers. This practice ensures that your styles are interpreted correctly even by older browsers. HTML images add visual content crucial for effective web design. The alt attribute is a mandatory attribute for the image tag. It specifies alternate text for an image if the image cannot be displayed. This is crucial for accessibility and ensures that users still get information even if the image fails to load. In this example, if the image test.png cannot be displayed, the text test image will be shown instead. Typically, images are stored in a separate directory. Let's say you have an image located in the images directory within your project. Here's how you would include it in your html.or the property. This code will display the ironman.png from the images directory. You can adjust the width and height of an image using the width and height attributes. These can be set in pixels or as a percentage of the image's original size. In this example, the image is resized to 150 pixels wide and 100 pixels tall. By default, images may have a border around them, but you can customize the border thickness using the border attribute. Setting the border thickness to 0 will remove the border entirely. This will apply a 3-pixel thick border around the image. Images are aligned to the left by default, but you can change this using the align attribute. You can align images to the center, right or left. In this example, the image is aligned to the right side of the page. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and click the bell icon to learn coding with me. We'll meet in the next video.